As teachers, you can benefit from the different parameters used when checking attendance to your class to evaluate your students. For example, you can consider the parameter board, which is offered to you pre-configured in your Clickedu, as one more grade to calculate in that trimester's final grade. You can create an item which links the average grade of these numerical value parameters, board or any parameter created by the school which is valued with indicator from 1 to 10, with any item of evaluation which is a percentage of the evaluation's final grade. The types of linked items to parameters of attendance checking are only available for those grades which have attendance control every session. In other words, attendance to class is checked every lesson. Create a new item from Subjects, select a subject, Items of evaluation, and new item. After the basic setup of the item, name and evaluation apart from the code and the order, in the section functioning, choose type of item, select weighted evaluation, and numerical. From this point on, Clickedu offers you the numerical value parameters, which you can grade every time that you use them while checking class attendance. The most usual case is board, but other possibilities can be questions in class, for example. Clickedu will do the numerical average of all the grades that have been accumulating. Now you can save the setup. Later, we will see how to grade this type of element, but previously, you must weigh it in the total percentage of the grade, just how you do it with the rest of the items. In terms of the yes-no parameters, you have to select if what you want to count is the amount of yes or the amount of no's, and establish ranges according to whether the students will get a grade or another. These ranges can be according to the number of cases or the percentage. Create a new item from Subjects, select a subject, Items of evaluation, and new item. After the basic setup of the item, name and evaluation apart from the code and the order, in the section functioning, choose type of item and select weighted evaluation, yes or no, and choose parameter. From this point on, Clickedu offers you 3 types of parameters: unjustified absences and delays by trimester or yearly, homework, default parameter of the platform, or any parameter created by the school with yes or no answers. For example, the phone rings. You must choose if the value that you wish to quantify in the last 2 cases is yes or no, and you will be able to select between the number of times or the percentage. Next, pressing the green plus sign, you will add a final value and the grade that the range will have. For example, about the parameter phone rings. If it rings from 0 to 2 times, you can indicate that the resulting grade will be a 5. If it rings between 2 and 10 times, the grade can be a 1. The last range has to be empty. Later, we will see how to grade this type of element, but previously, you must weigh it in the total percentage of the grade, just how you do it with the rest of the items.